Galaxy, your mom's so fat. She ate a bullet for breakfast.
You're on. What the frick? I just, like, my game decided to actually respond. All I hear is just doom. So on today's episode of Random Dumb Crap.
Okay, so if these people are shoved into a suit, your gun's textured. Where's the body parts when you're taking apart? Where's the bones?
I don't even know. Listen, Frank, I don't care if your brother made the damn game. This is not appropriate for children. Save them. Oh yeah, it's this this game. I forgot what the frick it was, but I know what it is, but
get out of the way. There's so many ears going on in the. Look in the console. Are we gonna do all of them? Except the old one because it won't work.
Yeah,
Let's go.
I got a shotgun. Let's bring your shotgun to work day.
We must not talk about the one who must not be named. Jesus!
Frickin'
body doing?
Like, honestly, so you can actually see what the frick. On today, what the
crap?
That fat ass thing came out of the frickin' rocket launcher. We're at war against the animatronics. Also, I hear. Hello, they're just what the frick? Casually holding E. You're freaking lagging the game. Jesus Christ! And I like how they have this
Freddy
one
hasn't
splash
moved.
Yeah, he's just sitting there. Hey, do something! Oh, okay, he has moved. It's goddamn. What the frickin' hell? No running, no kicking, no screaming. Clean up your messes.
Doesn't say no flying.
It doesn't say. Yeah, it doesn't say no flying. Do not distract the security guards. They're here for your safety. Yeah, let me just. Yeah, I have this, frickin' like 9mm over here.
Jesus.
What the frick? Just feed the ragdoll to Mangle. This is the. What the crap? Where the frick did Bonnie come from?
The heck is your body doing?
What the frick?
This is trying to scratch it?
It's like trying to scratch its ass or something. Oh, what the hell did I just see?
Really?
Which, as you know,
What the crap?
animatronics are not yet available, but will become available once they're ready, and I've
What the crap? Oh god. The crap. Oh, that frick! I just heard a freaking crack sound from a ragdoll.
Alright, let's look in this guy's house. Looks pretty basic so far. What the? Alrighty, today I will be infiltrating Galaxy's car because he stuffed too many of your mom jokes in the trunk. And it's illegal for that. Alright, so I think I found Galaxy's car. And as I suspect, yeah, there's probably a lot of your mom jokes in here. I mean, that's probably where they belong. So this may be a false report. You want me to stop? No. This prison. This is where Mega should be after his like second time ever driving. I don't know what I'm talking about. He should have been arrested like the first time he drove because everybody should have knew like. Alright guys, it's time to go to Cub Foods. We're gonna be shopping. Alright, apparently they do have carts here. So we will be going to this ATM machine and breaking it open to get some fat cash. Oh my god, it looks like a bunch of cash fell out of the ATM. Can we put all that in our cart? Oh, we definitely can. Forget it, this card's so dumb. Alright, guys. We are visiting Nathan Drugs. Alrighty, if this door doesn't close on me. Alright, Otis. Hello? Hello. So, apparently, I'm needing some drugs. What type of drugs do you have here? So I got some milk. Milk? Really? Give me 5 gallons. Alright, so I can only do so much by myself, so, I'll just end it here.